Hello and welcome back to my channel Breathing Gratitude. This is Dr. Arthur Gomes, Master Practitioner, Life Coach and Mentor. And this morning I want to speak to you about the ultimate guide to visualization. Of course, we've heard this term in the law of attraction, and it's a very important process in manifesting your desires, in seeking what you want. So, people aren't aware of how powerful visualization can be in their lives. They don't want to follow a step-by-step process. They don't want to follow, a trained methodology. Just by reading something, then they start doing the process, which can go horribly wrong at times. In fact, many of us are doing plenty of visualization today, every day, and as of yesterday. So everybody is taking to it. There's an entire, congregation on the bandwagon of law of attraction today. Of course, there are a lot of people who have been practicing it for years, and I'm sure they've gained mastery. But it's always better to know the right techniques of how to go about doing that. The problem is that most of us are doing visualization to create the life we don't want instead of the life we want. If you can remember the time when you were worrying as much of a particular event or something that happened in your life about something that it actually happened to you. You were worrying so much, you were thinking so much, you were giving so much energy to it that it happened. Now, this is one of the best examples that you can take in terms of using visualization to create the life you don't want. For example, you're going for an exam, you're worried about passing. You're not joyous about cracking that exam. There's a lot of thoughts in your mind, and most of them are spinning in a negative way. So you've got to get rid of that. And by doing that, you can start seeing positive outcome results in your life. Now, for example, many athletes, artists, actors, including even the Olympians, use visualization to excel in their discipline. For example, if you guys remember the Bruce Lee letter that he wrote, he very clearly stated, I will be the first Oriental actor to be a millionaire in the United States of America. The same thing happened to Michael Jordan with his visualization process. Remember Jim Carrey with that check that he put down of a few $1,000s. Then Oprah Winfrey, The Color Purple. You have Will Smith. You have The Rock, Arnold Schwarzenegger as well, and of course the cricket captain of the men's Indian cricket team, Virat Kohli. These are all fantastic examples of the visualization process. Now, what is the process? How do we go about it? I have brought you some steps to make it very simple and easy for you. What you'd go about reading in about 20, 30 law of attraction books, I've all put it down for you in a capsule, so it becomes very, very simple for you. Remember guys, any training that I do, whether it's a workshop, Zoom or online self-paced study, I'm very habituated to get you a step-by-step process so that you can't miss out anything in your methodology. I'm doing that because while in the corporate, I was so used to getting everything in terms of SOPs, so that became an ingrained habit, and I'm now utilizing the same in my training discipline. So a step-by-step process will give you a better filtering experience of what not to miss in that process. So let's take a look at it. Step 1, be very clear to know what you want. Do you know what you want? Are you clear about it? Do you have the detail? Do you have the specifics? Ask yourself, if I had this holding me back, if I had something holding me back, what would I want to see in my life? For example, if I had nothing holding me back, what would I want to see in my life? How would you talk? When you ask a child, describe certain things, how does a child talk? It has no filters. It just speaks its mind and it says, I want. Step 2, describe your vision in detail. Do you know what it looks like? Do you know how it smells? Do you know how it tastes? You got to have that faith, feelings, and focus. But a lot of emphasis here is laid on feelings. You've got to feel that before it actually arrives to you. Here you can ask yourself a question. If I had a magic wand in my hand right now to make anything happen, what would my life look like? So you see, when you have a magic wand, you don't put filters to it. You just say that I want it this way, I want it to look like this, I want it that big, I want it that small. Alright, so you got to be very specific in your detailing. Step 3, start visualizing and create that emotion. That's what I said, start feeling about it. When you feel it from inside, it appears on the outside. What would I feel if all my visualizations came true? Your big house, the big car, loads of money, bank balance, freedom, financial security, the choices, vacation, exotic land. How would that feel if all that came true? Step 4, very important. It's good to visualize, but my friends, you need to take inspired actions. You've got to put in the effort. All that will happen. And it will definitely happen provided you put in those efforts, those hard yards. It's very important. You see? So you need to take daily action all the time. Step 5, have patience and perseverance. A lot of us are very, very excited, anxious, edgy, and we skip the 5 W's and 2 H questions. Who, where, when, what, why, how, and how much. And we continuously keep asking this, maybe not verbally, but in our mental setup. Here you can ask yourself a question. What would help me be more patient when I am faced with such a challenge? You got to be patient. Everything comes to those who are patient. Have you heard that before? Yeah. So, it's not so difficult. These 5 steps encompass your process of visualization. If you can do this day in and day out, along with your inspired actions, your hard work, right? And sincere hard work. Don't take shortcuts. There's no shortcuts in life. So just to conclude, as you visualize the life you want and utilize these 5 steps which I've shared with you, you will start to find life reflecting in your visualizations. Be open. The human mind is like a parachute. Works best when open. I'm sure you heard that before. But I'm so wanting it to drill it into you. You need to be a little more open and try it. Work hard, put in the efforts, and then see where your visualization process takes you. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this video. Do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more such videos coming to you. And do subscribe because you will get all the videos in your inbox as and when I upload them. Stay safe, stay indoors, take care of yourself, and carry your M&S, mask and sanitizer. Take care, friends. Ta-da.